Hello everybody. Today we will describe how to continue your Fiverr farm. Fiverr farm is a very important for your freelancing life. That's Fiverr farm is a farm which you can increase your seller contribute. It is not your it is not your increase your order, but it's a increase your skill. If you want to increase your skill, then you continuously read biggest post, every seller and every buyer here come, and it's very important topic here you read. Now we can see a dashboard. It's a Fiverr from dashboard. First we can create a banner and show here, and then you fix your birthday, website link, location, etc, and then you will go new post. Here are very simple. It's you can see many posts here. If you want to read this post, click here. Any post you read, you can read. Then you click here and read, and you can comment, share, and like, impression. Not only like. If you want to get a badge, here this man John Bess already get 11 badge, and Fiverr total base 15, but this man already get 11 base. This man already get 4 base. It's a within 15, and it's my profile. I already get 5 base. So you can achieve this base not only press love effect. It's a depend for your comments, depend for your post, and depends for your solution and give problem solution. Not only you come here and pass this love effect and pass more and more post. It's not very perfect way. Okay, best I think best you want to get a bhalo seller, get a good seller, or get a best seller, then it's very important for your post and important for your issue solve. It's a very important. Now we can see my best. Already I have get 5 best within 15. So I already post 24 join July 5, and it's my post here, and on the 3 or 4 posts I already posted here, and read 24 post. So it's depend for your activities. Not only give more and more love effect. It's sometime we can see some people on 24 15 or 16 provide love effect, but his bears only 2 or 3. It's only for he not give he not comment anywhere, just only he press love effect. It's not perfect way for get your Fiverr base. So I think you can understand about it, about Fiverr forum, and generally you can generally you have to join here only for develop your seller skill. It's a wrong idea when you can continue this Fiverr farm. It's for get a good job. It's not right, because it's Fiverr is a community. Here a very biggest man post here another issue or another ideas. So you can read this, you can read this topic and gather here a biggest experience. Okay, so I think you can understand about this fiber from. So thanks for watching.